I always have a plan, make an amazing bargain and give it to you. What do you think of it? If it works, I'll begin to do it after seeing the car. I've got many informers from the 4S shops. One of them told me that the CX mid-size SUV, which cost 200 to 240,000 before, now it's less than 150,000. True or false? Let's go and check it out. Go. Hi.
Hi, fancy a car?
Do you have the entry level of Tiguan L 1.5T?
Not now. You have to reserve it. This car had the best price.
So the price of the 1.5T one is tempting.
Yeah, it's quite low.
Okay, let me check it out first. Then I'll ask you about the price. It's 4.73 meters long, so it's bigger than many middle-sized Japanese SUVs. 1.5T engine and the DSG. Quite fuel saving. It's the 2.0T version. The entry level, the height of many shotgun seats could not be adjusted, but this one is an exception. Its wheel has the same leather as the other wheels of Volkswagen, which cost 300,000. It feels so good to touch. Same big screen of 12 inches. What's more, if you don't like the system, there are convenient wireless CarPlay and wireless CarLife. It's useful to me. Let's see it back. 1 fist, 2 fists, its leg space is almost 3 fists. Oh my, look. It's a giant trunk. With the configurations I've just talked about, a joint venture vehicle would not have those things a couple of years ago. But this is a Volkswagen Tiguan Air Pro. It's a premium version of Tiguan series. I suggest you buy the premium version with a DB light. It's good, the lamp won't dazzle the people opposite, and in the meantime, show you everything in a distance. Quite practical. Besides the premium version, not this one, also have DJI's intelligent driving solution with binocular vision, which enables an Air 2 intelligent driving, like indicating to change the lane. My experience shows that it's basically the same as the high-order autopilot of Tesla, which costs you 30,000. Okay, let's go and ask that sales lady how much the entry-level 1.5T Tiguan is. Hi, I've checked the vehicle already. How much do I get to pay for 1.5T Tiguan? Less than 150,000.
Well, if you want to preserve it, you made a great deal. Pay 149,900 yuan. We've got some policies. If you want a substitution, you may have a subsidy of 8,000 yuan. About the installment, it's 0 down payment at the best, and 5 years with 0 interest at the most.
Nice preferential policies. So guys, if you value cost performance, consider Tiguan Air outstanding. If you want better configurations and advanced experiences, consider Tiguan Air Pro. So, what are your amazing bargains? Tell me in the comment section and I will begin to prepare it for you.